have played many concerts, but I have never played Marwa. I have never played Marwa for Sri Mataji because I wanted to play for a very long time. And when I arrived this evening, somebody told me that Sri Mataji is asked to play now at 6:30. I said, in this light, and I thought Sri Mataji knows. So I'm really happy that I got to play this beautiful spiritual rag for you. Ada. जी हाँ जी
I must apologize also that Nishad Khan had told me that he would like to play on a Ganesh Puja. I had agreed also. But as you know, the Swiss are very particular about time. They make all the watches. So also we thought, as there is very short time, I felt that he may not be happy to play for a short time something, because he likes to play for a long period. But that's our privilege. But this time, as you know, I have to go on Monday, and I have not done yet my packing or anything. And then from there directly to Russia. It's going to be quite a fast movement of marathon race of mine. So we just thought that we better get somebody who is just coming up as a musician, and then we can have such a great artist like him later on when he will have more time to play. Especially Marwa is a rag which I like the most, perhaps because it is, as he says, is very meditative and very deep. And I remember first time, long time back, Amjad Ali Sahab was there and he had invited me. They had never seen. And he was just playing some sort of a Bengali tune to begin with. And Sir Yogesh told me that we were bored, we thought he better stop, so will be better. It's in the beginning. And as soon as he saw me on the doorstep, suddenly he told me his hand started moving. And he played Marwa. My husband doesn't like Marwa. Today only first time, again is the second time, that this was real Marwa here. He's no. But something I must tell you that Marwa he started playing. And after that, Amjad Ali Sahab became a great artist also. But that Marwa really filled me completely with vibration. He said, Mother, I don't know, I knew all these things, but normally they don't come to you easily. But as soon as you saw you standing there, and my hand started moving, and Marwa, I said, you made the whole palace of Marwa before. I cannot also forget that Marwa as this one. Because this is a rag, very difficult, they say, because you have to have spiritual depth, otherwise you cannot play this. And you all have enjoyed it, though commonly people don't like Marwa so much. Yeah. But in Maharashtra, it is very, very much appreciated. And also in Punjab, I must say, that the ragis always sing in Marwa rag. So it was very kind of you to have chosen this rag, because, and you went into a kind of a, I don't know what we call sanchar, both of you. Sancharis, some Ganesha entered into them and started playing, I think. The way they played was really very divine, very beautiful, very remarkable. And this raga is very fulfilling. The way he has played, this is the second time I am hearing such a nice marva. See, and because I know I am very old and I have heard so many people singing this long time back, also I heard Abdul Karim Khan Sahab in Marwa Rag. He was another one who used to just pull your strings of your heart as you feel it, the way he sang. So there are people who have been singing and also playing Marwa, but playing Marwa is not an easy thing. I think it's easier to sing. है ना? So this 2 times I was twice, I have had this really thrilling experience of such ascendance that the whole audience rises in spirituality. It's a raga to be really mastered and to be understood. I'm happy you all have enjoyed it, because I don't think you have heard Marwa before, anybody playing before you. So it was a very good choice. Then our another player is Supinder Singh, who is very well known all over, I tell you. My brother, as you know, Baba, he is such a connoisseur of music. He said, one thing I missed in life. I said, what? Tabla by Sukhvinder Singh. Moreover, I have another relationship with him, because Namdharis are the first who entered into Sahaja. Even in Taiwan and places like that, these Namdharis came in and they said, Mother, you are doing what is predicted about you. They gave me writing from the Guru Gobind Sahib, where it is described in the future what will happen and how somebody will come and give you realization and all that. That's all with me. So I was very much touched by them. Of course, now in Punjab we have many Sikhs who have become Sahajas, many Sikhs who have become Sahajas. And Punjab also I went because they came to Ganpatipule, some of them, and they were just rolling on the stage, you see, halfway, and saying, Mother, come to Punjab, come to Punjab. And Punjab was a disturbed area, but then CP allowed me, and now we have many Sikhs, many Sikhs in Punjab, in the sense that in their Chandigarh and also Rawalpindi, all over, they have taken to Sahaja Yoga, and I'm sure this will work out, the peace in that country. It has now, it is much better. Punjab is the place where I studied and I liked Punjabis very much, and I find now this movement of Sahaja Yoga so much appreciated by Sikhs as well as by Hindus, and also some Muslims met me. They called me in their village and they said, why are we denied? This is promised in our Quran that we'll get Qiyamah, we'll get resurrection, and why should you deny it? I said, I didn't know. You should have come. So the whole village was Muslim village, and it worked out. I tell you, it was so much of a assurance that this world will come to that global emancipation, to that transformation, that there will be peace. Without peace, you can't hear this music. If there is no peace in your heart, how can you enjoy this music? You cannot play this music and you cannot enjoy. Anything that is beautiful you cannot enjoy unless until there is peace. And so I'm going for this mission of creating peace, and I'm happy you all enjoyed it. I must say that these artists are very near the divine, because the way they emit these vibrations by which we feel so peaceful, so relaxed, and so much of the spirit that is within you shines. So it's a very reciprocal activity between the musicians and all of you who are here and who are enjoying. I don't know, every time even Amjad Ali Sahab says, and he also says that in my presence, they go into ecstasy. Possibly, I don't know. But what I have got is just a mother's love. And I feel these are my children who are artists, and they have to come up. They have to come up because they have to give joy to all the people. Pure joy. And this is what you are enjoying. I'm happy about it. I'm sorry because of this time limit due to your watches. You see, we had to little bit adjust it, and he'll play one more raga because we have other programs also. नहीं तो सवेरे बहुत देर हो जाती है।
जी जी जी।
और फिर
आप क्या सुनना चाहेंगी या अभी बंद करूं?
मुझे ऐसी कोई चाहत नहीं है, लेकिन आपने तो अपने यहाँ पर मेरी चाहत सुना दी, अब क्या सुनाने का रहे। बहुत बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत कुछ तो भी हो जाता है आप लोगों को मेरे ख्याल से। ऐसे ये श्रीवास्तव साहब कह रहे कि ये दूसरा मारवा मैंने सुना है, अभी खुद कह रहे हैं।
मगर आपको दूसरा मारवा पसंद तो आया?
बहुत, जरूरत से ज्यादा, पर नॉर्मली इनको नहीं।
It is quite true that Marwa is not an easy rag to appreciate, and one must know music very well. But I assure you that from today I have begun not only to like but become a devotee of Marwa. Sahaj Yoga means transformation. And even in me, you have brought about transformation for music today. So thank you very much. It was excellent.
So now we'll have another rag played by him, and which you all are enjoying as it is, and they are now lost in the heavens, I think, from where all these beautiful renderings are coming. And I don't know how this rapport is established and how it works out. But more and more musicians must be encouraged, and you also should learn music, I would say, to appreciate this kind of thing. It requires not only the practice, the riyaz, but also a spiritual help. Otherwise, you don't hear this kind of music. This is some sort of a very रूह की कमाल है, रूह की कमाल है.
You know, sometimes there are some difficulties arising suddenly when I have to come, but because of Mataji, somehow it works out. I'm very grateful.
No.
I'm very
you
grateful.
See, I wanted you to come, but because of the shortage of time,
जी मैं समझता हूँ.
इसलिए इन्होंने कहा कि अभी कोई साधारण
अच्छा, एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है कि माताजी आपकी वजह से मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ है.
बता रहे थे
इटली में बहुत मेजर रिकॉर्डिंग, बहुत बड़ी मेजर रिकॉर्डिंग हुई है. तो वो उसकी एक इंटरनेशनल रिलीज होगी. आज उसकी एडिटिंग की बात थी, वो मैंने पोस्टपोन कर दिया जब पहले. तो अब वो फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अक्टूबर में होगी उसकी एडिटिंग, और वो 23 या 22 तारीख को रिलीज होगा वो. मगर मुझे इतनी खुशी, मैं इतना एक्साइटेड था क्योंकि यमन में बजाना चाह रहा था आपके लिए.
बजाइए, जरूर बजाइए.
बजाऊं यमन?
हाँ, ये यमन समझते हैं.
अच्छा.
ये बहुत से राग समझते हैं
जी.
आपको मालूम
है? दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम प्लेइंग एट 7 o'clock in the evening for you. So I have a chance to play little Marwa, little Yaman.
नहीं, all these ragas are to be played also.
जी जी.
Because you people start after 10 o'clock, so you just go with Jai Jayanti and Malcolms and all that. What about these ragas? They have to be played. So ये भी डिवाइन का ही है.
जी हाँ, जी हाँ.
कि मारवा जैसा राग.
यमन, जी हाँ.
यमन भी ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है.
नहीं, आप जो सुनना चाहें.
यमन सुनाइए.
आप यमन सुनेंगी?
हाँ, जरूर, क्यों नहीं.
अच्छा, तो